Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can check battery on Ultrahuman ring. So what you're going to need to do is basically head over to the top left corner where you see this gray icon right now on my screen, but if you have connected your ring you will see that it's green. So click on that, and if it's connected, okay, if it's connected you will see something like that. So status is connected and last synced, and below this nice ring you will see basically under here how much battery do you still have on the ring. And yeah, this is pretty much everything and how you can check the battery. Make sure that you always have this battery between 20% and 80%, also because of the battery, that it will be that it will uh, last for a long time. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next